Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer photos from your iPhone, maybe your contacts, and get all the data over to your Honor Android device. So this is simple to do. What we want to do is go to our Honor device, our Android device, go to the top right, swipe on down, go to Settings. And once we're under Settings, we want to go down to System and Updates. Then go to where it says Device Clones. Now, on your version, it might be under Backup and Restore, but let's go to Device Clone right here. And then go to This is the new device. And select it and go to iPhone. And then you have to scan this QR code to get the application. So let's go to my iPhone now. Open up the camera application right here. And then scan this QR code. Click this little yellow box. Go to the App Store. And then get the device. So on Honor devices, it's called Device Clone, Honor Device Clone. On Samsung, it might be called Samsung Switch. Open this up. And make sure both phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So you can see I have this turned on right now. And once you transfer everything, make sure you have iMessages turned off. Otherwise, you're going to be getting messages on both phones still. So let's go to This is the old device. Go to Continue. Now there's going to be a QR code we need to scan on our Honor device, our Android device here. So let's go to Next once we have the application. Scroll over this now with this. And then go to where it says Join. Alright, so we should be joining the phones together now. With that, then we can put that down. And then make sure this is allowed permission. Alright, so this should be transferring now on over. And once they're connected, I can add pictures, photos, contacts, or calendars. So it says it's connecting the phone. So just choose what you want. You got photos, videos, schedule. And I have like 2,000 photos, so I don't think I'm going to transfer any photos over. It might be too much. And then I can just select what I want. So I'm just going to transfer my contacts. Go to Transfer. And then go to Yes on your other phone. And we should be receiving those pictures now. Stuff. So if you got a lot of pictures, it's going to take quite a bit of time. Alright, so it's complete. Let's go to Finish. Alright, that's how you do it. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below.